some of the useful features that you may not know of. I'll go through some of those now. So if you go to settings and you go to integration, we've obviously mentioned that how to integrate Xero, but just notice that you can, if you want to, if you're using QuickBooks, you can also integrate with QuickBooks as well. Also note that you can with popular programs such as file sharing and storing software such as Dropbox and Google Drive, you can also integrate Hubdoc there, which means that if you wanted to save your invoice copies or your bills into a secondary or tertiary location, you can do that as well. And you can also create a email forwarding. So every time a invoice goes to Hubdoc, you can then get it to forward to a designated email address. Another feature that could be quite useful also is integrating it with a credit card or a bill. So here you can see there's a number of popular credit card and bills that you can integrate with. So here you've got GoDaddy, for example, you've got Stripe, you've got PayPal, HSBC and American Express. So what you can do is you can integrate with some of these companies so it extracts the information for you. So then you can code up those expenses and push that onto Xero as well. Thank you very much.